Part of the SMS Dominator communication suite is the SMS Dominator autoresponder. And this is the first page of the SMS Dominator. All you need to do is click on the button that says the free autoresponder, and you're taken right here. Now, hopefully, where it says here, training video coming, this will be replaced with this training video. And that's what you'll see. All right, so let's get started here. The first thing you want to do, the very first thing you want to do is you want to set up your account. Every account, every autoresponder needs to have an autoresponder campaign. Now, in here, it's just called an autoresponder. And you can have unlimited autoresponders, unlimited email addresses, sending out unlimited emails each and every day. And that's how it is. As of now, we have the right to change that. But as of right now, we are an unlimited autoresponder service. We are not the best out there. We're not the worst out there. We have some really cool features, though, that a lot of other products do not have. Let's go over some of these great features that we have. The first thing you want to do, again, is that you want to really set up your autoresponder. And what I usually do is I usually click on autoresponders. That is the #1 place to go to. And because we're recording video here, it's running a little bit slower than usual. Each manila color section is a different campaign. So right now, I have inside my account, I have the Keith Carberry campaign. I have the SMS Dominator campaign, SMS Webinar campaign, the BBG campaign, the Boston campaign, the Test 101 campaign, the SMSD campaign, the video signups campaign, and so on and so forth. In order to set up a new campaign, you would go down here to the very bottom and it would say create a new autoresponder. This is really creating a new campaign, okay, a new autoresponder, all right? So an autoresponder within an autoresponder. I can name it anything that I want to. But since I've already got some things established, I want to just go over a few things. Now, our autoresponder is highly integrated with our SMS Dominator text message system. And if you can see here, it says with cell phone required and without cell phone required. And up here, it's not highlighted. I cannot edit that section up on this section here. That's because I have not integrated it yet with the SMS Dominator text message system. The really nice thing about our autoresponder system is the integration that we have with the SMS Dominator texting system. Let me give you an example. If I wanted to show you one of our templates, and you could use this template right away, all I need to do is click on the button View. Now I'll just have to scrunch this down a little bit here, and you can see that this is one of our templates. Name, email address, cell phone number. Hit that information and click Subscribe. And what happens is that the name and the cell phone automatically go to our SMS texting system, and the name and the email address automatically go to the autoresponder that we have here. All right? Let me go back. Now, I'm going to raise that back up here a little bit. Close that up. And you'll be able to, so you can see right away that that's how that happens. Now, I didn't integrate this one, so there's nothing to click. Now, I can also click this here where I can have the same exact presentation look and feel, which I'll show you right now, and there it is. But if they don't enter in a cell phone number, they can still subscribe. That's the difference between this one, not required, and required. What if you just want the code? Well, if you just want the code with the without the template, you just click on here. And as you can see, the pop-up right now, let me just bring it down a little bit. This is the code. All I need to do is copy and paste this code and put it onto any website that I want. And it'll have the name, email address, phone number, and the submit button. Okay? Really nice and easy, very easy to follow through. Okay, this is some more important features here that I want to point out to you that are very important. And I'll just actually do it with the SMS, with this one right here, since everything's already completed. This is the settings section. Now you can edit the settings in two manners. I like to do it here because everything that I click, if I just click on autoresponders, everything is in here that I really need for the most part. So if I want to edit the settings, which I probably want to, I can take a look at the settings here. And the settings say Keith Carberry's autoresponder, your autoresponder, description, keyword, all that needs to be changed because I know that this is actually, what's the name of this? Let me go back here and find out what the name of this autoresponder campaign is here. Slide back down. The name of this autoresponder campaign is LDM Business Form. That's for Local Deal Madness Business Form. All right, so if somebody fills out the information, I want to make sure that they don't get the name Keith Carberry in there. So we want to edit that setting. And we want to change the site name. Instead of saying Keith Carberry Autoresponder, we want it to say something like LDM Business Request. And we might want to just do the same exact thing on here. And if we want to do a description, we could do that. I'm going to paste it in here. I don't necessarily need a keyword. This says that it's a double opt-in. I'm going to have it single opt-in. And single opt-in means you don't have to confirm it, because what happens is we have a confirm form already done. And here are all the different email addresses you can send: a welcome email address, or thank you for subscribing email address, a homepage email address, a confirmation page, and a thank you, and an unsubscribe. All those can be completed and filled out by you. So if somebody wants to subscribe, they'll get a message saying we're sorry to see you go. Or if somebody wants to get the thank you message, welcome, your subscription has been activated. So that's for a double opt-in. The first one would say you have to click yes, you want to use us. The next email they're going to get is thank you, your subscription has been activated. Once again, thanks for subscribing to our newsletter or to whatever it is that you want. To our, in this case, would be Local Deal Madness. Okay. And then I would just go down here. You can't see the button very well, but I would update those settings. So now, oops, as you can see, for some reason that did not save here. So I'm going to go back in here. Local Deal Madness Business Form. And hopefully this time it will save. I'll update the settings. And it didn't save. Let's see what's happening here. Okay, just an interesting problem that I ran into. I did save it and fix it, as you can see. I just saved it now, and I'll have to fix something here, but that's how that works. You clean all that up. Now let's go back. Let's go to subscribers, show you how that works. Subscribers are all the different subscribers you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 autoresponders, or 10 campaigns, whichever you want to call them. So whatever campaign you want to send out as, to take a look at the subscribers. Let's say you want to look at these subscribers. You can go in here, take a look at all the subscribers, maintain their account, change their status, whatever you wanted to do, find out who they are. You can do that here. You can remove them, change them from an active to pending, or in pending to active, or vice versa. And you can also obviously email those subscribers. Let's say you want to email the smsdominator campaign members. And you would either use your text HTML, and it automatically brings up that format, or you can just send them a regular plain text email. You can also go to the autoresponder messages, meaning you can create messages. You can create 10 messages or unlimited messages in a row, fill those up, save them. Once they're saved, those autoresponder messages will be sent automatically to that group whenever you wanted to sign them up. So let's say I signed up somebody in the SMSD sign-up system, and on day 2 I wanted to automatically send them an email. I would put that information in here, and in 2 days later, they would get an email. I would save that, and I would do the same thing again. 4 days later, they would get another email. 8 days later, they would get another email. And it's all done on autopilot. So yeah, we got that for autoresponders. We've also got a template manager that we're working on. It's not quite done yet. But the template manager, let me show you some templates here. One second here. Didn't load it up properly. Not sure exactly what I'm doing, what I did wrong here. Let me check. Hold on. Alright, so if I want to go to change templates, I can go in here. And these are some of the different templates we have. Some of them are really nice. I love this one here. I like this template here. New free newsletter. This has the same thing here. These are kind of dark and clunky and a little outdated, but they certainly work very well. And we are going to have many, many more templates that look more like these templates rather than these older looking templates. Message history. How many emails have I sent out to different groups? How many people looked at them? Okay? All that is available in here. But the key page is right here, the autoresponder button. Let me scrunch that down here a little bit. Is the autoresponder button, because everything is in here. If you want to edit this, the templates, you can edit the settings. You can do that here. All that information is in here. Admin settings is to edit every different one. If you want to take a look at this account here, it says Boston. You click on that and you make the changes that you need to make. You can either have double opt-in or single opt-in. Alright, hopefully you find this helpful, and we'll have many, many more videos on the autoresponder and many other subjects as well coming soon.